Hey, what's up, you guys? It's been a really long time since I've made a video, and I have some good reasons for that. So this video is going to be about my new platform that I'm creating. It's going to be similar to Flippa, but much more cost efficient and with a lot more features, and in my opinion, it's a much nicer design. So in today's video, I want to give you guys a quick preview of that. Right now, it is still under development, but there is currently a sign up page for a closed beta. So if you go to www.bidpex.com, you will be brought to this page. This page, you can sign up by pressing here, and it'll allow you to put in your email address. And once you put that in there, maybe in a few weeks, I'll be choosing, or probably less than a few weeks, probably in a few days, I'll be choosing some people to enter this closed beta, and I will send you a code to your email. And once you have that code, you will be able to put it in here and have full access to the website. So right now, some things are not fully implemented, but I will get into that later. So this video is basically to get you guys excited about this platform, get some people to sign up. The more people who sign up for this, the better, because of course a marketplace will always get you the best prices if there are more people. So let's try to move everyone from Flippa onto BidPex, because all of the listing fees will be free at least for a few months on this platform. And I don't see us raising listing fees to anything more than $5. But that is definitely down the road. Additionally, there will only be a 10% success fee, so you will only be charged this once your listing sells, and it will only be 10%. So let's get into the website. So here we are on the home page of BidPex. There's going to be a slider here. This will house like some of our promotional stuff, like if we're having any deals, that type of stuff. And people will also have the opportunity to purchase ads and put them on these banners. That will get so much more publicity to your auction, and it'll really help you a lot. There will be featured apps, so any apps that I think are really cool or very good price, anything about it, I'm going to put it into this featured section. You can also purchase an add-on to make your app featured. So if we go into the app, we will see here what the app looks like. We have this really beautiful header here. You got the title of the auction. You got the icon right here. You can favorite this or watch it. You got the current price and you got the buy it now. And here's the buttons for those. Our platform automatically pulls screenshots from your app's listing when you create the auction. So you don't have to import any screenshots or anything like that. It'll automatically get it for you. Same with the icon. You'll also get a lot of information like the platform, the price, and then it'll also get the rating from it on the App Store, and you put in how long your auction is and your reserve. It's going to have analytics too. And finally, you can have your seller notes. So these are questions you answer on the listing. So you can answer questions like, what is the app? What are the features? Why am I selling it? So you can get a lot of different stuff in here. It looks really nice, easy to read. You can put any additional comments in there. Finally, there's a comment section down here. So if you have any comments, you can definitely ask them right here. And then it shows you who the seller is, so you can easily message them. So let's go into the app section. So this is like the main part of the site. You can search for apps, you can filter by a bunch of different things. I think we have a really, really powerful filtering system, probably more powerful than Flippa's. And then all of the results will show up right here. So right now I have 3 test applications on this website. Of course, you can click on them. Same as before, the current bid, the buy it now, all the good information there. So you can do all these different filters here too. How you want to sort it, the different app types, the budget, time remaining, monthly profit, all of that stuff, or just search by keywords. So then we have a little about page. This is not completely finished yet. We want to make this a little more polished, but this will answer any of your questions about BidPex. This is also on that beta screen that you got right when you get onto the BidPex website. Next, you can go into the messages tab. So this page will hold all of the messages that you have with people. The most recent will be on the top. You can click on them to see the different messages from the different people. You can send the messages. I think it looks really clean, a lot cleaner than Flippa's, a lot nicer. You'll get notifications straight to your email when you get messages, so it'll be a really great system. Finally, you can press on me. This is all of your profile information. It'll show your listings. It'll have a beautiful graph of earnings that you made that month or that year. It'll show you any reviews you got. And we're gonna have a cool badge system. So if you do anything exceptional, you will earn a badge. So anybody who signs up for this beta will get a special badge right on the first day that BidPex releases. So definitely another reason to sign up for the beta. So then you can see more detailed stuff like my listings, my favorites, people that you've watched, and then of course some settings where you can change your profile image. Then let's go to create a listing. So here is where you can create your listings. BidPex is not only going to be a marketplace for applications. Right now we're starting that way since we have a pretty big audience for that already. But my next big thing is going to be the ability to sell social media accounts. Flippa does not do this at all, and I think this will be a huge advantage to the platform. And then next we'll be doing websites and FBA, maybe some domain names eventually. So you kind of click this. These are the different types of apps that we accept. You just put the URL in, and then from there you fill out a lot of fields. So it's very, very easy and intuitive to use. So that is about it for the BidPex run through for now. Of course, there's other things I didn't show, like you can place a bid, you can buy it now, which lets you purchase through PayPal. Another thing I want to talk about is that we are completely secure here, as you can see, a very secure website. Additionally, we have an escrow system for purchases. So basically, the buyer will submit funds into the BidPex PayPal account, and we will hold those funds until the app is transferred. So no one will get any money and steal any money from you unless you have the application already. And once you approve the application, everything is good, we will release the funds. So I think that's a very safe way to do things, and definitely safer than Flippa, because I have been scammed at least a couple of times on Flippa. So this is a great way to prevent that. I hope this video was informative to you guys. I'm really excited for this platform. I think it's great. I was starting to have a lot of issues on Flippa with their new fees. It costs like $15 just to list an app. And on top of that, 10 or 15% success fee. And sometimes things just don't go very well on there. They're just changing things a lot. And I think BidPex will really be the answer to that. If you guys could all just move to this platform, I think we would have a ton of buyers and sellers, and everyone would get great prices. No more high listing fees, high success fees, you know. So definitely, please check this out. It's just bidpex.com, and you will be met with this screen. Just sign up for the beta. You can see some more information here and some Q&A right here. So please take the time to sign up for this. It's going to be an insane platform. I'm so excited for it. Once again, I'm really sorry I have not been making any videos lately. I've been putting a lot of time onto this, so once this is done, I'll be back to making a lot of videos and a lot more tutorials, because I've been seeing you guys asking questions. And one more thing, I want to thank you guys for 2,000 subs on YouTube. It's amazing It's a lot of people interested in reskinning apps. So let's keep it growing. Let's keep it going. And I will see you guys on the next video. Be sure to check out BidPex and sign up. You'll get that badge and you'll get an entrance into it way before everyone else. So check it out. Thanks, guys.